back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful natural mixture for your face, which is a substitute of a face mask but with natural products, with natural things. So what I'm going to use is aloe vera and coconut oil. So what you need to do is, so this is my aloe vera plant. She's my baby, and if you don't have the plant, you can use the aloe vera. You can buy aloe vera liquid, as long as it is natural, not mixed with other chemicals. So it has to be 100% aloe vera. And when I do this about once a week, and it helps my skin to not be dry, and it helps my skin to glow. Aloe vera helps as well when you have burns or mosquito bites. You can put aloe vera on it and it will help to remove those burns and tames the itchiness of the mosquito bite. And it also helps when you mix it with food or with a drink, a smoothie. If you make smoothies and you mix the aloe vera gel in the smoothies, and it will help you with your digestions and with your heartburns. So what we need to do is, I already have mine cut because, as I told you, I use it every week, and I use it when other things happen. So if you have the plant and you're going to cut the leaf from the plant, you need to cut like this one. You need to leave a piece from the plant there. So don't cut from down here, don't cut from the roots. You have to cut around down here. Alright, and you will have this. And if you see, there is a lot of juice in it. And what we're going to do is, this, you're not going to use it just for one time. So all you need to do is cut a piece from the plant. This is enough. And just cover it with stretch and sieve. Okay, and put it in the fridge, and it will stay as long as you use it all. So as long as you cover it, as long as you seal it and put it in the fridge, it is okay. Now from this, if you can see, you can use this all inside. Cut it from the middle. Okay. We're going to squeeze all the juice in a bowl. Okay, now it's okay if some juice remains on the plant. It's all right, because we're going to use it, but we just take the amount in the bowl. Okay, so this is what you're going to end up with. Now here I'm using basic things because normally I liquidize it with the liquidizer to break the aloe vera, but today I'm going to do it with a fork. So if you don't have a liquidizer, you can still do it with the fork. And just squeeze it with the fork to break the jelly part of the aloe vera. Okay, and you will have, I can't really show you, but you will have something like this. Alright, now take the coconut oil, take this much of amount in a teaspoon and mix with the aloe vera. Now this mixture, you need to mix it quite well so the aloe vera and the coconut oil will be one mixture all together. So keep on squeezing the aloe gel. If you don't have the plant and you buy the juice, it's no problem because it's easy to mix it. But when you have the plant, the gel is it's like a jelly, so you have to really squeeze it in. And ending with something like this. It doesn't look pretty, but it's very good on the face. Alright, now before applying the mixture, we're going to use the juice that's left on this piece. So take the 2 pieces and massage your face and neck with what's left on these pieces. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to apply the mixture. So take the mixture with your hand and apply it on your forehead, on your nose, on your cheeks, on your chin, and on your neck. And avoid the eyes. When it's applied, make sure to massage it well. And when it's applied, you have to leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. If it's a 30-minute, it's better because you will see the results much quicker. When these 30 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever you're going to leave it on pass, rinse your face with not cold water and not hot water. So try to make it a lukewarm water, somewhere in the middle. Rinse your face, and it is a bit hard to remove it off because it's oil and the aloe vera is very sticky. So you have to rinse it quite well. And after you have rinsed it, you are already going to feel your face really smooth. So that result is going to show immediately. And even some glow in the face will show as well immediately. But the smoothness in the face will show as soon as you rinse the mixture off. After you have rinsed the mixture, you're going to apply some rose water. Just put some rose water on a cotton bud and tap your face with rose water. Leave it to dry a few seconds, it only takes few seconds, and then apply again a small amount of coconut oil on the face, massage it everywhere and on the neck, and leave it. Don't remove the coconut oil, it would dry off by time. As long as you massage it very well, and it's going to dry within 5 minutes. Your face won't be oily as long as you massage it very well. So that is my tip for today, and I'm sure I'm going to upload more videos using aloe vera and using other natural products, because as when I started using these natural products, I saw a big change in my skin. So they are very effective. I'm not using any chemical products anymore. So because me personally, I found it better. I'm not doing any bad name on another products, but in my opinion, my skin found it much better, because I'm trying to go organic as much as I can. And just to give you a hint, I'll be uploading as well on how to reuse your home vegetables and regrow them again at home. So stay tuned for that video. I will be posting it very soon. And be sure to subscribe to my channel to see these videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. I will be happy to see what you think about this video, and maybe if you use aloe vera somewhere in anything else, it will be nice to hear from you guys. And thank you a lot, and take care.